Hi everyone, Snipe Trading here. Today is Tuesday, February 26th. I'll be going over my recap for today. So today I did one complete trade and I held 2 trades overnight. So the first trade I did was DHR. So this had a gapped up yesterday due to some acquisition news, and then I was looking at some possibly fade to fill the bottom gap here. So the previous day low was around 121.30, 36 or 35. So what I was looking for, was watching this and I saw this trend line right here breaking right here. So I started short there, and then I was kind of disappointed. I didn't take any off at this support from previous day low, and it kind of bounced right back. So this strong bounce here formed a really strong hammer candle, which is a pretty bullish reversal. So I should have noticed this candle here and not reshort here, but nonetheless I reshorted there and it kind of punished me and went higher. And then I added a tiny more, just because I thought it was a little weak, which I shouldn't have. I should have waited for the big backside. So when this here tested VWAP, I added a few more and then added on this pop here. I eventually pulled back down because the SPY was helping a bit. It was a big pullback here, and then it kind of pulled back here on the SPY. So I was kind of watching the SPY pretty closely, and I was anticipating a pullback with the SPY. So I ended up taking some off of VWAP and then some off of the 122 area. And then that actually got me out for a $45 winner. So the place I'm not really too happy about, and yeah, I definitely should be paying more attention to the bigger time frame. And if I've seen this before where it's like a big, dead cat bounce, and I should have took some off the lows there at least, and probably stop out the rest. But another trade, I kind of did some damage control and kind of managed that kind of okay. My max loss would have been the high of the day, which was this 122.88 area, which was pretty much holding resistance and support towards the end of the day. So my other 2 trades was a swing trade idea. So KEG, I saw this, so ignore the unrealized loss because that's not a correct number since the market closed. So these numbers are like everywhere, the bid and ask. So this one I kind of bought. I saw this $3 area having this uptrend, and then it was kind of spiking up in volume for the daily, on the daily. And then I didn't see much resistance until if it breaks 3, I feel like it's going to be clear to move higher, since 3 was the prior resistance here and the 50 EMA on the daily. If it breaks 3, I can see it go to 7s. So that was a swing idea, just because it has high volume. Right now it pulled back. It pulled back end of day. I re-added a few more, but my unrealized loss is actually minus 60. So ignore the number. Minus 60 for that. MTNB. So MTNB, I bought here for this break. And then this was another swing idea because I saw on the daily here it had a kind of flag break here. You can kind of see this flag forming and it break, and my measured move I'm thinking it'll go to 150, 160. That would be the target for this flag. So I'm actually up unrealized up $35, not 145. So those numbers are just weird because the market's closed and the bid and ask are just everywhere. So that's all I have for today. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated on my swing trade for tomorrow. So hopefully, I usually don't swing trade because of the randomness of overnight, but I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.